Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you the best solar floodlights on the market. These eco-friendly and cost-effective floodlights are the perfect addition to any outdoor space. Stick around to see my top picks. At number 5 we have INECOKS solar floodlights. After an average day of charging, these lights can last between 6 to 12 hours. Equipped with a 3.7 volts 2200 mAh battery, these lights are capable of lighting up your entire yard. The solar panel can be rotated up and down by 180 degrees to effectively capture sunlight, while the light head can be rotated by 120 degrees to illuminate any area that would otherwise be out of reach. Additionally, these lights are waterproof with no worries about weather conditions, making them perfect for outdoor use. At number 4 we have Ring Solar Floodlight. Ring solar-powered floodlight is perfect for driveways and backyards, capable of shining 1,200 lumens of light. It can be placed in your ideal location and works with Alexa. When connected to a Ring bridge, you can receive mobile notifications, set schedules, turn the lights on and off remotely, and customize your settings via the Ring app. To recharge and store power, place your Ring smart light in direct sunlight. At number 3 we have Homezone solar floodlights. This outdoor floodlight is equipped with triple head LED lights and a full 180-degree motion detection range that can cover a distance of up to 49 feet. It features 3 adjustable LED light heads that can emit up to 1800 lumens of 3500 K warm light. With an attachable solar panel, there is no wiring required to recharge batteries. You can customize this floodlight with adjustable motion sensor sensitivity and timer settings, ranging from the 30s to the 120s. At number 2 we have Halo solar floodlights. The Halo series light is an efficient outdoor lighting solution that saves energy with a mounted solar panel, and the motion sensor provides efficient security lighting. With a detection range of up to 50 feet and 180 degrees, the motion sensor can detect motion effectively. The durable polycarbonate housing is suitable for wet locations, and one-handed adjustments to the fixture head and motion sensor are possible. At number 1 we have Jackie LED solar floodlights. This solar security light has 3 different modes triggered by a motion sensor. It features a wider solar panel that absorbs more sunlight during the day and a larger 5,500 mAh battery that can power the LED solar light for up to 6 to 10 hours, or even all night. With 48 LED beads, the solar motion light can emit up to 1,000 lumens of light and has a 120 degrees illumination range. Additionally, this solar light is waterproof and can withstand all weather conditions. All product links are given in the description of the video. You can purchase it at an affordable price from Amazon.com. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative content and reviews on solar light products.